Here's a Google TV streamer. I'm going to show you how to factory reset it. First thing is just go directly to your home page, click on the home button on your remotes. From here, you want to navigate to the settings, the little gear icon top right hand side. Make sure you go up and then move over right. Go to the gear icon, make sure it's highlighted, select OK on the remote. And then from here, we're going to scroll down to System on the left pane here. So go down to System right there, OK on the remote. From here, we're going to go down one to About. Go ahead and select that. And now go down a few and you'll see Factory Reset. Go ahead and select OK on the remote. In a factory reset, this will restore your device to default settings and erase all data, accounts, files, and downloaded apps. Okay, so if you want to continue with a factory reset right there. So you can have a fresh new start, or you can go ahead and sell it, whatever you want. And we're going to go down here, erase everything, and we're going to proceed. Restarting, booting back up. And voila, we are done. Pretty simple.